Chris made at least one error as she found the value of this expression. Okay, so they give you the step-by-step work that Chris did. Okay, so we have to remember GEMS, right? So GEMS stands for grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication or division from left to right, subtraction and addition from left to right. Okay, so let's take a look at the first part of this expression that we have to do first. Okay, so we're going to do grouping symbols first, which is within this brackets. Okay, so 5/4 times negative 20. Okay, so you want to check. All right, you can cross simplify here. Okay, so let me just change. Okay, you can cross simplify. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 20 5 times. Okay, and 5 times negative 5 is going to give you negative 20. So that is correct. Then we have the second set of grouping symbols. So 5 goes into 5 one time evenly. 5 goes into 50 10 times. Okay, so 2 times 10 is 20. So that's where we get that. Okay, so now we are at step 1. So in step 1, Chris multiplied the fraction by the number in parentheses in the grouping symbols. So that step is correct. In step 2, he did a little bit of a rearrangement. Okay, so he took every single number in parentheses and grouped them together, as you can see. Okay, so let me go back so that you can see. Okay, so he took negative 20 and negative 25 and he grouped them together. Then he took 20 and 50 and also grouped them together. He did the same with the 5 and the 4. He grouped those together. Okay, and the 2 and the 3 grouped them together as well. Okay. So now what you want to do is work out step 1 on your own, figure out what you get, and see by regrouping them the way Chris did, you get the same answer. Okay, so I'll do step 1 with you. So negative 20 times 2 is negative 40. Okay. 3 times negative 25 is negative 75. Okay. Then we have 5 times 20. Okay. And 4 times 50, which is 200. Okay. Okay, so then we get negative 40 minus 75 is negative 115 plus 300 and you get 185. So go back and I want you to then do step 2 and see if you get 185. If you do, then step 2 is correct and you can continue on. If it's not, that means that the error is in step 2.